Everyone, today we're going to study Chapter 1, Scientific Investigation, Exercise 4.4. Objective question. Question number 1. Diagram 1 shows some of the steps in a scientific investigation. Identify the problem. P. Forming the hypothesis. Q. Diagram 1. What are the steps P and Q? A. Planning the investigation. Q. Identify the variables. B. Identify the variable, collecting data. C. Identifying the variables. Q. Planning the investigation. D. Interpreting the data. Q. Observing. So what is the answer? So the question here says diagram shows the sum of the set in scientific answer. What are the steps P and Q? So identify the problem. Next, what are the next of the P? So the P here, okay, let's check the A. Planning the investigation. So first the planning the investigation is wrong, because first they say the first thing is to identify the problem. So next it should be identify again. So the A, planning the investigation, is wrong. Q. So let's look at the Q here. They say forming a hypothesis, then so Q. So forming a hypothesis. So the Q here, identify the variable, is wrong, because they say in here says that forming the hypothesis. So then they have the it's not suitable for the identify variable. The identify variable is the after the identifying the problem. So it's definitely not the right answer of the Q. So A is out. Okay. So is wrong. So let's go to B. Identifying the variables. Q. Collecting data. So here B. So identify the variable. So it's right, correct. Okay. So that's the answer of a P. So Q. Collecting data. Here says here forming a hypothesis. Then after forming a hypothesis, it's not collecting data. There's another one. So the Q is definitely wrong. So that B is out. Okay, let's go to C. P. Identify the variables is correct. P. So first we need identify the problem. Then after the identify problem, there is to identify the variables. Okay, Q here, look at the Q. So planning the investigation. So Q is the after forming the hypothesis, we need to plan the investigation. So the answer for the C is correct for the Q. So okay, let's check number D. Interrupting the data. Okay, identify first we need to identify, but after we need to identify also. But interrupting the data is wrong. It's after the forming, after the Q is the interrupting data. So here Q observing. Q is not observation. There's another one. So Q is out for the D. So the answer is best answer is for the C is the C. Okay, best and suitable answer is definitely C. Okay, identify the problem. Identify the variable. P and Q. Planning the investigation. So these are the answer. Okay, let's go to the question number 2. Okay, question number 2. Table 1 shows the data collected by a student in an experiment. Loading rate gram 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Extension of wire cm 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. The data is best displayed in a option A, bar chart, B, pie chart, C, line graph, D, candle chart. Okay, so look at the table here. So loading rate and extension of wire. So which are the data is best displayed? So you need to underline here, best display. The word best display you need to know. Okay, loading rate. So loading rate and extension of wire. So which are the best display here? Option A. Okay, let's look at the option A, bar chart. bar chart is for the loading rate and extension of wire is not suitable. So A is out. Okay, B, pie chart. Pie chart is not suitable of loading rate and extension of wire, so out. Because another one, the pie chart is referred to many like many columns here. Okay, so it's not suitable. It's only have two here, two columns. So you only have two rows only. So it's not suitable for the pie chart. So it's B is out. C, line graph. So line graph is suitable for the loading rate and extension. Why is suitable? Because in the line graph we have here have 5 here, 10, 12, here have 5 here, so 5 columns here. Okay, 5 columns. So it is really suitable. It's suitable for the line graph. So we can easily use the line graph. So line graph is suitable for the loading rate and extension of wire for the experiment. It's suitable for the experiment too. D, candle chart. Candle chart is wrong. So I guess students will never heard this word candle chart. Okay, so D, candle chart is not suitable also. Okay, so the best display in the experiment is C, line graph. Okay, the line graph should be like this. Okay, this is an example. Yeah. Okay, give it an example. So line graph is like this. Okay, so these are the line graph. Okay, these are the example of line graph. So student will need to know about the line graph. So what is a line graph? What is a bar chart? So need to know. So the bar chart should be like this. Okay, bar chart should be like this. So these are the bar chart. So you need to know. Okay, these are the bar chart with okay, like this. Okay. So these are the bar chart. Bar chart. These are the bar chart. Okay, pie chart like this. So these are the pie chart. Okay. So these are the pie chart. Okay. Okay. This. So student need to know about the graph. Graph and chart also. So we can easily answer the question. So let's go to the next question. Okay. Okay. Question number 3. Study the following information. J, method of collecting data. K, analyzing data. L, material needed. M, controlling variables. Which of the following are involved in the planning of investigation? Okay. Which of the which are the following are involved in the planning of investigation? So option A, J and K. B, K and M. C, J, K and M. D, J, K and J, L and M. So D, J, L, M. Okay, so first, before look at the following information are given here. So J, method of calculator. They are asking which are involved in planning of investigation. The keyword is here, and also the another keyword is involved. Which are the following are involved in the planning of investigation? So look at option A, J and K. J here, method of collecting data. K is analyzing data. So what analyzing data? Okay, so J is correct. Method of collecting data is involved of a planning of investigation. Okay, so K is analyzing data is not suitable. It's not suitable for the, and it doesn't involve of the planning of investigation. K is out. Okay, so J is correct, but the K is incorrect and it's not involved also. So it's A is out. B, K and M. K is out also. So this that I told you, K is not, it's wrong. It's not suitable and not involved of the planning of investigation. So M, controlling variables. Okay, it's suitable. It's a controlling variable. So the is involved of the planning of investigation. So M is controlling variable. It's a correct answer. But is wrong, so definitely B is out. Okay. C, J, K and M. Okay, J is correct. Okay, method of collecting data is correct, and K is out. M also correct, so definitely C is out because K is not involved in the planning of investigation, so that means the C is definitely out. D, J, method of collecting data is correct, so it's involved also the planning of investigation, and L, material needed, okay, is also correct. Material is needed, is also needed, material needed, so it's involved of planning of investigation. So we need to know in planning of the what should do planning, they should need a material also, material and a method, material, method. So these are the important. So before whenever you see the planning of the, you need to remember the planning is referred to material, method, or controlling variables and like that. So you need to remember. So okay, so the L, material needed, is correct, and M, control value, is correct. So definitely the most suitable answer is definitely D, and also the three J, L and M is suitable for the, and also is involved of planning of investigation. So the question number 3 for the answer is D. Okay, let's go to the next question. Okay, that's all from me. So I hope you understand about the objective question about science chapter 1, scientific investigation, and don't forget to watch the next video of science chapter 1, scientific investigation part 2. Okay, of the continue about the next question. So that's all from me. I hope you will, these tips, this objective question will help you to score in a science SPM also, and also for the Form 4 student it will help